you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What you got running in here this time, man?
We're running a Team Sickle 18 and a slot porta box 10 cubes on a JP 63.
Yeah.
Wired half on.
You got a factory alternator on here?
No, I have a JS.
JS,
Yeah.
Them batteries hold up pretty good.
They do. I've had my Headway for about 2.5 years now.
What's the highest you can charge on them?
I don't think they like over 15.5.
Okay.
14.8 but they really like it 14.8, 14.9, but I've ran mine up when I had a little dial that I used to turn it up to 15.5 or so.
Yeah, when you playing stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. I gotta get my next battery together myself, so.
Grab my helmet. Okay.
Making Penny Strip. This is DJ Rustical. Think I'm gonna try something that I ain't never did before on this one. Let's go. Get your life.
Man, I know you like to swap it up. I know I gotta keep an eye on you.
Every time
you'll swap it up on me.
This one we're gonna play a little bit with. This is what I'm hoping to run all season. But we gotta get off the hash. We're so close to the hash.
It's tearing it up out.
Not doing it. I don't have enough room to load.
You get what you need.
Yeah, we're like 4 inches away from. I'm pretty sure sometimes the stuff's hitting the.
Oh, if they can get that close to it.
Yeah.
You gotta back off of it right now.
I've got it as far this way as I can with my battery set up, but I gotta rewire everything and shove them to the side. So.
Yeah, try to get you a little more space.
Yeah.
That's the 18, right?
Yeah.
The version 2?
No, that's the Team Sickle, not.
That's the big one.
That's the Team Sickle, not the Dream.
Who loaded that thing in there?
Well, me. There's 4 of us that did it.
Oh, okay.
But, so what we did was we didn't put the top on until after we mounted the sub.
Oh, okay.
It's got a 3-inch baffle. You can actually see it in the port. There's 3-inch baffle there. It's all triple layer, 1 inch.
So y'all put it on the baffle, then y'all put it.
Then we put the top on it, clamped it.
It would have been hard trying to. That's a big ass sub.
Nope. We're going to take it back out and cut it and put a window in, and then at that point we use access to get in too.
Yeah.
So it'll be a lot easier. But yeah, it's 140 pounds what it weighs.
You had to come on a pallet, didn't it?
No. When we got it, he actually brought it down, so it didn't shoot.
Oh, he came down for a show.
He brought it a while back in August, I think we got it from him.
Yeah.
So it's been sitting around waiting, but.
Yeah, I might need to get with them on some recons. I got some little custom deals I was trying to come up with.
We have 2 of the Dream Sickle V2s that are going in 18-inch ones. I'm putting them in smart cars that look like little Tykes cars.
Yeah.
So when we get bring them to excess baffle.
So you gonna shove them all in that little bit?
Infinite baffle leg.
Oh, that works. That works.
Infinite
Yeah.
baffle. There's not enough space in there to build a box for a Dream Sickle 18. But we can infinite baffle it and use the whole back hatch.
Yeah, it'll work then. Yeah.
That's what we're gonna try. We got 2 of them. We got a green one and a red one we're gonna do.
So y'all gonna tow them out? You gonna bring this one still?
Yeah, we'll tow with this.
Okay.
And bring both of them.
What is it? 6.2 in this one?
Yeah.
Okay, it'll do one.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I sure appreciate a good
Yes,
seeing
sir.
you, man.
I'll see you, man.
Man, we'll see you back on next.
See you in excess.
Yes, sir. That's where you gonna be. That's where you going next.
Well, that's usually where.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.